Hello everyone, this is Nitish and today I will teach you chapter 10 of Economic Survey 2022-23. Today is episode number 10 and chapter Service Sector. This will be helpful for this year UPSC exam, but before starting this class, I would like you to please subscribe the channel and also like and comment on videos. These contents are free of cost, so for test series and foundation video, you can contact to Vysh sir on WhatsApp 7200 681 675. So let's begin. Today, first slide is regarding the introduction of this chapter. The rebound in India's service sector was driven by the recovery in contact-intensive services subsector due to release of pent-up demand, ease of mobility restriction, and the last one is near universal vaccination coverage. The tourism sector has shown signs of revival with foreign tourist arrivals in India in financial year 23 with the resumption of scheduled international flights and the easing of COVID-19 regulations. The real estate sector has witnessed resilient growth in the current year with housing sales and the launch of new houses, surpassing in quarter 2 of financial year 23 the pre-pandemic level of quarter 2 of financial year 20. Trends in service sector. Bank credit to the service sector has witnessed significant growth since October 2021 with the improvement in vaccination coverage and recovery in service sector. The World Investment Report of 2022 of UNCTAD places India as the 7th largest recipient of FDI in the top 20 host countries in 2021. India's tourism sector has shown signs of revival. The profitability ratio of the tourism industry pointed towards a strong rebound in the June 2022 quarter. India is ranked 10th out of top 46 countries in the world in the Medical Tourism Index financial year 21 released by Medical Tourism Association. So you should know that who has released the Medical Tourism Index. The organization's or the association name is Medical Tourism Association. According to the Global Payment Report by World Pay FIS. So here once again I will focus on the point that you should know who has released the Global Payment Report. The Global Payment Report is released by World Pay FIS. India's e-commerce market is projected to post impressive gains and grow at 18% annually through 2025. So now let's look at the donut chart, which is representing the fashion, grocery, general merchandise to capture nearly 2/3 of India's e-commerce market by 2027. So first of all, let's look at the donut chart which is on the left hand side. So here we can see that the mobile and electronic appliances comprises of 45 to 50%, fashion comprises of 20 to 25%, grocery, general merchandise comprises of 20 to 25% and others 5 to 10%. Now let's look at the right hand side donut chart which is representing the year 2027. So here the mobile electronic appliances representing 25 to 30%, fashion representing 25 to 30%, grocery and general merchandise representing 30 to 35% and others representing 10 to 15%. So move on to the next point. The government e-marketplace attained an annual procurement of rupees 1 lakh crore within financial year 22, representing a 160% growth compared to last financial year. The recent initiative of the launch of Open Network for Digital Commerce, represented by ONDC, will play a significant role in democratizing digital payments, enabling interoperability and bringing down transaction cost. RBI is gradually expanding the digital rupee scope to include more banks, user and locations based on feedback received during the pilots. Now, the last topic, or we can also say that the concluding part, which is represented by outlook. The recovery in the service sector was reflected as an uptick in the housing finance indices performance. The prospect looks bright with improved performance of various subsectors like tourism, hotels, real estate, IT, BPM, e-commerce, etc. The downside risk, however, lies in the external exogenous factors and bleak economic outlook in advanced economies impacting growth prospects of service sector through trade and other linkages. So that's all for today. Hope you like this video. So please like and comment on video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.